If you or someone you know has trouble digesting milk and other dairy products due to lactose intolerance, you may want to consider using DairyAid 3000 Unit Tablet Digestive Enzymes. Lactose is a type of sugar found in milk products, and lactase enzyme is normally produced by the body to help break down lactose. Lactose intolerance can affect people of all ages, and it can result in a lack of important nutrients and vitamins. Some people use lactose-free milk or milk substitutes, but most people with low lactase enzyme levels can tolerate small amounts of milk products at one time and get symptoms only with larger servings. Taking lactase enzyme with milk products as directed can help prevent upset stomach, abdominal bloating/cramping, gas, and diarrhea caused by these products. It is important to consult with your doctor or pharmacist for more details on the best time to take this product and the recommended daily dosage. Make sure to follow the instructions on the product package. If your doctor has recommended this product, make sure to use it as instructed. If you have any concerns or questions, don't hesitate to ask your doctor or pharmacist. If your symptoms persist or worsen, or if you suspect a serious medical issue, seek immediate medical assistance. Remember to always consult with a healthcare professional before taking any medication. If you experience any unusual effects from taking DairyAid 3000 Unit Tablet Digestive Enzymes, contact your doctor or pharmacist right away. It's important to note that the benefits of using this medication outweigh the risk of side effects, as determined by your doctor. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. While it's rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this drug can occur. Seek medical help immediately if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects not listed, contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you're in the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. It's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist before taking DairyAid 3000 Unit Tablet Digestive Enzymes if you have any allergies or health problems. Also, let your doctor or dentist know about all the products you use before having surgery. If you are breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using this product. It's important to be aware that taking DairyAid 3000 Unit Tablet Digestive Enzymes may interact with other medications you are currently taking, which could affect how well your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Be sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Always consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. This will help ensure that you are taking DairyAid 3000 Unit Tablet Digestive Enzymes safely and effectively. As always, it's important to follow your doctor's recommendations for the best results. If someone has taken too much DairyAid 3000 Unit Tablet Digestive Enzymes and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical attention by calling 911 or a poison control center. In the U.S., residents can contact their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. Remember to keep all your medical and lab appointments. It's important to check food labels, as lactose can also be present in non-milk products. Today, we're going to talk about DairyAid 3000 Unit Tablet Digestive Enzymes. This medication is used to improve digestion of dairy products for people who have trouble digesting lactose. It can help reduce symptoms such as bloating, gas, and diarrhea. The recommended daily dosage is typically 1 to 3 tablets with meals that contain dairy. It's best to take this medication just before or at the beginning of the meal for optimal effectiveness. Check the storage information on the package, and if you have any questions, ask your pharmacist. Keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. Properly discard this product and it is expired or no longer needed. Consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for more information. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.